Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of 15 Minutes with Sumant Kale. And as a ritual, oh damn, 11:27 in the night time, and I'm filming this episode right now because I don't know. I thought I would have filmed this in the evening, but I'm filming this right now. But no worries. First thing first, oh damn, this is looking bad. Yeah, now. Now let me talk you through the day. You can see my copy is finally open, but I didn't study anything. Okay, my streak hasn't been started, but it's 11:27. I will not sleep because in the daytime I go sleeping. I sleep a lot in the daytime. I need to get rid of that. From tomorrow, I thought I will sleep today till 2 a.m. But I think I have to delay that because I need to complete 2 lectures, and to complete 2 lectures I need time and I have to make notes also, and without question practice class 12 will kill me in the first shot only in the exams. So I need to practice a lot of questions. And one thing you can see is that I have a liquid vaporizer, mosquito liquid vaporizer. Why? Because this room really gets what can I say, horrifying in the evening time. When evening started, a lot of mosquitoes come into the room and they they bite me, and I am left with a lot of marks on my body. I was editing, that's why I thought I will get this. Today's day was what I will say, not really great in the terms of work. It was great, I will say. It was good, but not really at a grand level where I have completed each and everything. And this thing is written everywhere, but I'm not completing it. A lot of tasks needs to be completed, but I haven't completed even one or two. That is really embarrassing, and I'm filming this video. One thing I wanted to play in this video, but what can I say? My song has been released on my YouTube channel, my theme song. I guess I will play the theme song, okay, because I love it. I have created it using AI, so no worries that this guy is using AI. Everybody should use AI. I'm loving it because I want to build the late night show, and I needed a theme song which will be best for me. The thumbnail is really clean. Okay, now I will play. Please, what is the error? Yeah, okay, now it is start. It is in Hindi. This is what I have created, and I don't know if somebody asks me to create something like this again. God knows I won't be able to create, because the similar prompt I have tried to give to the AI model, but it wasn't able to create it. Damn, what can I say? I shouldn't have played this. If YouTube gets me or give me a copyright, this song has been used in the video, I'm gone. And one more stuff is that I'm putting myself away from people whom I had a connection with sometime. I'm trying to put myself in a zone where I'm alone, and I guess that is the time where I thrive. I literally not thrive where I am with 10 people talking on the stuff, doing this and that. I thrive myself. I go in a pace when I'm alone, because I guess this is the stuff that everybody goes through. One more stuff. The first day of August, 5 month is gone. Next stuff I want to do is that I want to get more subscriber from my videos. Valuable videos, people are subscribing to it, but valuable videos will be there. But I want to go in the late night zone, and it cannot be done in one day. It will take time. This is a massive project. I am unknown to the internet right now. Nobody knows who this guy is. And how can I be known? By doing a lot of volume, by creating content what people want, by getting into the zone which people love. Right now I don't have a specific editing And there are a lot of people who don't have specific editing, and I don't want to use that as an excuse, but I know that I will make a editing style of mine pretty soon, because right now I'm experimenting with my content, experimenting with the style which I will use, experimenting with the guests. Right now I have no guest, it's already Saturday, and I want to reach out to the guest, but I guess I will reach out. Firstly, I will complete the first lecture or second lecture, and one thing is there that the lecture numbers has been reduced because I have come to a different batch version, and there are the same lectures which chapter which has been completed or compressed in short lectures, in short amount of number of lectures, because there was 10 lecture and there the chapter is completed in 6 lecture. So I have a backlog and I can complete this. If I just watch 3 lectures each day, then I know I will possibly get to the pace of the live classes pretty soon. If I just watch 2 lectures, or if I just even watch 3 lectures, then it will be fast pace of mine. It depends. But the most important thing that matters is consistency and solving question. Whenever I get up in the morning, I need that I'm not touching my phone, just getting onto my app and watching the live classes. 2 live classes, 3 live classes I have to take, or 2 live classes, and I have some NCERT books lying there, and I need to solve question from there, because if I don't solve the question from there, big problem, massive problem, because in 10th I have done that, and in exam I wasn't able to solve any question. I was just writing the steps and I barely passed in my exam, and I cannot do that. I have purchased the batch and I want to study from the batch I am studying. I will need to get consistent, and this 5 month I need to reduce my sleep cycle, and that is one thing that our mind literally what can I say, curate or pave everything for us. Whatever thing we think on our mind, how we think, that is done. Okay, I will talk about that. Book reading, I'm not reading any book in the last 1 month, I guess. Not doing a lot of exercises. I need to do it. I need to, or I get to be in the best shape of my life by the next 5 month or 4 month. When I make something like this pose, then it should look, yeah, this guy has worked on his body. And if anybody watches me and see me, then they can say, yeah, this guy is working out. He is not something just having food and sleeping. That shouldn't be like that. I have gained a lot of fat from, if I just watch my class 2 10th image photo from the last year, and now I have gained a lot of fat, a lot of muscles also, which is good for me, which I wanted. I didn't want to look a literally skinny guy, who just literally skinny guy. I didn't have any of this amount of muscle. I was literally a skinny guy, skinny fellow. Right now it's good. I know I can work out and I can reduce my fat. I can get into the best shape what I can, and next year I will be outside. I need to look for some source where I can earn money, and I'm begging one of my client that, I'm not begging, but yeah, that is a kind of stuff only which I think some people who are not true to their words, I literally hate them. I literally hate them. Doesn't matter if they are older than me or if they are younger than me, doesn't matter, or if they are of my age. If they are doesn't follow their own words, like if they have said me that I will come to the meeting at 9:20, and if they are not there, I hate that stuff. That why you have told, you could have easily told me that I will be there I will get delayed. Even if I do that stuff, I feel sorry for it, that why I did that. I inform beforehand only, that if something like this is going to happen, I inform them beforehand. And if somebody told me that I will talk to you this week, and if they don't, that I hate that stuff. I know people get busy. Okay, then give me the schedule of next year, give me the schedule of next month, doesn't matter to me. But if you have given a schedule, then be true to that word. And if somebody is not being true to that word, I hate that stuff. Right now I'm creating content on my channel, and I haven't put anything on my channel banner that every day every Saturday at 8 p.m. you will get episode. This week I didn't put any episode because I was over analyzing, I will say, stuff. one thing I have figured out, that I will include one more segment, that is going to be the blind rating segment. If anybody is coming on the show, I will ask them. We are moving on to the next segment, that is blind rating. I will put some blind rating of BTS characters, or blind rating of cricket fan, or cricket players, blind rating of cricket ODI player, everybody, whoever in the blind rating of editors. There are a lot of things, and that can be vary from person to person. If any cricketer is coming, I can ask them about cricket. If any editor is coming, I can ask them about editing YouTubers. A lot of thing is there, and this is the segment that can go viral in the niche, that will be really short, but it will be really effective. So I want to do that, and I want to do best editing. I thought I will make website for it, but I didn't made any website for it. I made the website. It is now in dark mode. I can convert it into light mode, but I don't want to make website, because if I make website, I will have to share it to the guest, and I can do this stuff in the post production, and it will look more even more cleaner in the post production. That's why I will try to do stuff in the post production only, and let's see how things goes. I'm getting some idea while I'm talking about that stuff I will do in post production. I'm getting some really great idea that I will use this texture, I will make something like this. There will be a box, there will be a new neo brutalism style coming up in my project, and that will look something cool. I will be using some stroke, some border. That is the idea that is my mind is generating right now. And while I was sleeping, I had some idea, but I didn't wrote it. I had wrote one idea while I was there in my room yesterday before going to sleep. I had written that, but last day I had one idea which I didn't wrote on my phone, and that idea is gone now, because our mind is for generating idea but not for storing them. That is damn true. That's why getting some idea, I will use that same principle when I'm using the segment. What can I say? The segment name will be blind rating. CapCut, any editing software which is going to be coming next, I will use that. In top 5 or top 6 will be there, and that will be a great segment that can be done at the end of the segment, that can be done at the starting, that can be done in the middle, or that can be done anywhere, which will be best. And that needs to be clipped in a good format. Editing needs to be done there in a good way. And blind rating, it is going to be 10 blind rating will be there, then yeah, it will be good. It can be done in or clipped for a moment, and I can use or make that for the long segment video also. I don't know how will that be performed, because that is really a short segment. It will be done around 1-2 minutes, and 2 minute is literally long. 1 minute or 60 seconds is long enough. If I try even delay that why you have put this thing in that place, then it can go up to 1 minute 30 second. 2 minute, it is literally like exaggerating or making the segment big. No worries, I will try to do that, because that is a thing which might go viral. Generating some, or I'm getting some notion ideas, brainstorming ideas which will be good. I just think while I was editing, I got this idea and I wrote it, and after I wrote it, I tried to search, because I had in my mind that there was this segment. I didn't know what the segment called, and after that I searched on the YouTube. I get some ideas, and I got to know that this is what is the actual name of this segment. And I wrote it on my mobile phone, and now I will transfer that onto my other application, where it is the detailed open, what can I say, notebook. Okay guys, if you are watching this at any time, then love you, and I will see you in the next episode. Till then, bye bye, take care, and signing off, Sumant. Bye guys, bye 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 bye.